Welcome to our malware virus removal tutorial. We're going to remove some junkware, the stuff like my PC backup, PC Matic, some stuff that's even advertised on TV. Today we're going to just kind of do a general cleaning of programs just like that with 4 tools that'll basically get most of the job done for you. They're free tools too, which makes it even better. Let's get started. So this is a real life computer. My customer brought it in today and it had some telltale signs of infections. So we thought this would be a perfect one to do a tutorial on. We have my PC backup on there. We have Geek Buddy, some other things, download free software. I mean, that stuff just kind of jumps out at us. So let's go show you some more in the add remove programs list. I'm going to sort it by date. That way we know the newest things that have been installed. You can see the list here. I mean, it just goes on and on and on. Search for tag, all this stuff right here at the top goes down further and further. There's some stuff installed in September, safe browser, a lot of free things. If you're downloading free stuff, you're probably going to get infected unless you know what you're doing. So let's start out by booting up our computer into safe mode. Let's do safe mode with networking, that way we can get internet access if we need it, which we will today. Let's get started. Let's open up the browser. You can use Chrome, Firefox, or Internet Explorer. Do a Google search for combo fix, and we're already seeing on this computer right here that we're having proxy issues. So let's go find out how to fix that real quick. Something I did not expect, but let's do it on the video here. So let's open up Internet Explorer, go to Tools, go to Internet Options, click on Connections, click on LAN Settings, and then uncheck Proxy Server here. One of these malwares, check that for us. So now let's try the internet after fixing the proxy server. Okay, we're getting an internet connection. Let's go to Google, get away from this Trovy stuff. Type in combo fix, and we're going to look for combo fix at Bleeping Computer. We don't want to download it from anywhere else. So it's on our search, it's the first one here. Just click on downloading. That way it'll automatically download for us. So it automatically downloaded. Now we can slide down here, and we're going to get 2 more programs from the same website. One is ADW Cleaner. Let's get that. And then the other is JRT, or Junk Removal Tool. Let's go get that. So now let's go and find out where we downloaded the programs to, and let's run combo fix first. I'm going to do an abbreviated version of this because it does take a while. It could take 10 minutes or more to run the entire thing. You might have to click OK and kind of move it along to get it to the blue screen. The blue screen is when it's actually doing the scans. So here we're starting to do the scan, and it's basically just going to start counting down. Stage 1, 2, 3, 4, all the way to over 50. And when it's done, it's either going to generate a log, a scan log right away, or it's going to reboot your computer. And once the computer reboots, this scan log will show up. In our instance, it actually rebooted the computer. We're in regular mode now, as you can tell from the wider screen. And we're going to see all the things that it's found and deleted. So as you can see, the list is long, and we know that we have a pretty messed up computer here. Let's go find ADW Cleaner now and run that. Sometimes you'll have to, especially the first time you run it, you'll have to accept their terms and conditions. And this one's pretty much a set it and go type of thing too. You can see that I abbreviated this. I'm at the end now. I'm showing you what it's all found in the different tabs here. And I pushed clean. Once it's done cleaning, it's going to tell me that I basically need to reboot the computer. So I reboot it, and once I'm done rebooting, it also populates a scan list, a log of what it's cleaned out, and we can see we still even have a ton more stuff that it cleaned up after the first cleaning, after combo fix. Let's move on to junk removal tool, or JRT. Go find that in the downloads list, and there it is. Let's run it. This one does the same thing. You basically have to press any key to get it running and let it run. So we're going to let it run, and it also will populate a log when it's finished. Here's the log, and as you can see, there's even more stuff that it's found. But we're getting closer. I mean, the stuff is starting to leave the computer. It's starting to run much better. Actually, I think the computer's running really good. We got most of the stuff out of here already. But for good measure, let's download Malwarebytes, which is also a free program that we could run just to kind of clean up the little crumbs that the other three programs might have missed. So we're going to go to their website, malwarebytes.org. Make sure you download it from there and nowhere else, just to avoid future infections. And click the download now button. And once it's finished downloading, run it, install it, and do a scan. So here's a finished scan log, and most of the things it found weren't critical issues, but we're going to apply the fix anyway. The default fix they have listed for these actions are quarantine. So let's do that. So basically now you have a clean computer. I mean, it's going to be running like you're used to running. If you still have some residual issues, you can find the link in the description on giving us a call, and we could help you out. But I think you're going to be pretty happy with the results of this free cleaning. Thank you very much, and stay tuned for future videos, future tutorials, and be sure to subscribe and give us a thumbs up. Thank you.
Please subscribe to my channel. I do plan on doing more of these videos. Please watch one of my older videos, my Note 4 unboxing and review, and also my Simply Safe home security review. Thanks, guys.
It was not easy at all, so I'm very interested to see what Simply Safe has to offer as far as ease of setup and ease of use, and how well